quick trip down to Dollar Tree to see what they had in new. My Dollar Tree still has some of the B dishes in. I didn't see any of the lemon dishes, but they had the plates, the sauces, the mug cups. I didn't see the glasses and a few other pieces. They put out a bunch of the chargers, which the charger is so cute because it can go with a bunch of different things. But they put out a bunch of the chargers. So your Dollar Tree might still reload some of those things. Some greenery for the season. So if you like to do like greenery things, wreaths for the door hangers, these are great to grab because only $1.25 and you get quite a bit on the stem. They have a bunch of different types. You can see some of the pampas grass they have there is still like sprinkled in amongst the stuff. So yeah, you might want to grab some of those. The summer stuff like outdoor summer parties, different things like that. They have the pictures, they have serving trays, they have tablecloths, the little plastic ones, they have the dish towels for inside, they have the drying mats. They just have a ton of stuff. Father's Day stuff, they put it out awful late at my Dollar Tree, but they do have it. They have mugs with different sayings and stuff on them. They had these three sayings at my Dollar Tree, like in the dad mugs, and then they have drinking glasses. So they have like the regular drinking glasses that they have, but they put cute little sayings on them. For Father's Day, this one, Daddy's sippy cup, just like a bunch of cute different ones that you can grab. The B decor pieces. So my Dollar Tree has been sprinkling them out throughout the store, so I find them randomly. But they have these right here, and they had them in the three different colors. I like the black and the gold one. This picture frame, another one for Father's Day. This is more of like the summer stuff. So they have like the cups, they have the decor. So if you're doing like outdoor parties, I think we saw a lot of this before. The molds, I like those because you can do more than just make ice with them. You can do so many different things, pot holders and stuff like that for the season. They have those. So yeah, if you're doing parties, you might want to grab some of this stuff because it's like coming and going at my Dollar Tree. They still are putting out, like, I guess whatever they have left of like the beach nautical type theme at my Dollar Tree. So this is some of the pieces that they have left. This right here for the pool. So the pool noodle you buy separate, but this is like a little mesh and I think it helps keep you up. I haven't tried it, but they have that. A bunch of outdoor toys, different stuff we saw before. They filled the wall up with flip flops. They still have patriotic decor at my Dollar Tree. So just a ton of the red, white, and blue decor. They have lanterns. So if you're just doing a party for like 4th of July, still Labor Day, or you just want to do like a patriotic theme party, maybe, um, you can still grab some stuff at Dollar Tree. You can still make some cute decor. They have a lot of cute ribbon left. They have a lot of the deco mesh left, at least at my Dollar Tree. Garden supplies. I like these. They have all the other stuff too, the little tier trays, all that stuff. But I like those right there. These are like so garden edges. If you do like a garden, I don't garden, but I know what it is for. But they have these cute little lanterns too. I think they're cute too. So they're little LED lanterns. They come in all of those colors. Those would be cute to put on the table if you do like a nighttime party. These right here, so just $1 and $1.25 and you get all those. Target has some of those too. So if you're looking, I think it's $1 at Target too. A bunch of the little like floral lays, they have those. These drinking pitchers, I like a good if the party can look nice. So they have them in different colors. These patriotic scarves. So if you're looking for some cute, because they like have these little fun prints on those. So they had these three prints at my Dollar Tree that you can take a look at, and you can do DIYs with those too. These are more of the drinking pictures, and make sure you get your top when you get these storage solutions. And Dollar Tree comes and goes with those. So if you see something good, grab it when you see it. This is all of the Father's Day stuff that they had at my Dollar Tree. So that picture frame came in two colors. So you can get it in black, you can get it in white. I just thought that was cute. And then they have a bunch of like grooming stuff. So they have this little travel bag right here. So you can pack the travel bag, like I'm thinking like a gift idea. You can pack the travel bag with the stuff and then it's like a cute little gift. They have these little banks with different sayings and stuff on them. They had the three different ones at my Dollar Tree. And then they have cute little decor pieces. So dad, this little cube here. They have these worded signs right here. So you can grab those. Just a bunch of different little stuff. They took a while to put this stuff out, but they have put it out. These, you can grab these for a lot of different things, not even just for shaving. because they have those all the time. So just a lot of this cute little stuff. But you can make a cute little, gift bag with these. They have socks for $1.25. All kinds of different socks. Target too has the socks, and are the socks $1 at Target? I think maybe. The little shaving brush there, stickers. I love stickers. I thought these were cute because it's The Office. You ever watch The Office? I love that show. It was funny. But then a bunch of different ones. They even had like the little baby Yoda, just a bunch of different ones. And I use these a lot for crafting. These are some of my favorite. Okay, so it is perfect. You toss that in your purse and you can use it like hand cream and stuff. I thought that was interesting because it's like strawberry, and then they have a coconut one. So yeah, if you're looking for something, they have these all the time. I haven't tried these yet, but you can see they come in different ones. But yeah, so you might want to look in the beauty section every now and then and see what they have in new. They have these little beauty brushes. They come in a pack of 4, and then you can put them in a little case. These right here. So I'm thinking every state has whatever the team is. I'm in New York, so they have a bunch of New York football things because football season is starting. I don't know, but they have New York Giants for out here, so they have all those stuff. They have magnets, they have things for parties. So yeah, if you're like into sports and stuff like that, you can grab some of that. These are great for the kids or for yourself for the season. Pop those in the freezer. They have little quarter waters too. That's what we used to call them when we were young, quarter waters. These I haven't seen these in a while, but they like little ice molds, so you can make cute fancy ice molds. I have some of those. These right here I thought were interesting. I haven't tried them, but if you like oatmeal and you like fruity flavors, or your kids do, it's instant oatmeal. These little drink straws for the cereal, and then they have it in cocoa pebbles too. These glasses, I saw these the last time I was there, and I just thought it was interesting because it kind of looks like fall, but it's not fall. This rose gold charger plate, I think it is so pretty. You can see like the shimmer. I was trying to turn it all kind of different ways, but you can see the shimmer in it. It is just, it's pretty. The color is real pretty. These right here, okay, so they had these little carpet squares before, and everybody was like putting together, making a big carpet, and I had showed them a long time ago, so they brought them back out. I was at Home Depot or Lowe's someplace. You can use these as runners for your stairs, and it's cheaper than getting them at Home Depot or Lowe's. Um, these pretty mint kitchen items, they have these. They have them in brown. I think these are cute, and they can pair nice with some of the dishes too. Another piece from like the summer like collection. This would be cute to put different things in the compartments, like for serving. I thought that was cute. It's like a big flip flop. These ice pops, they come like 20 in the pack. So they have Kool-Aid flavors. They have a bunch of other flavors too. Party napkins and stuff. So that the flamingo one is like real pretty, elegant. Like these, the little bowls and stuff, those are like a plastic, like a hard plastic. These napkins, these are some of the other flavors in the ice pops. They have Skittles, Powerade, Sonic, Sunkiss, just a bunch of different ones. So you can find any flavor that you like for the summer. These beauty blender holders I thought were so cute. So these are great for like travel. So they look like a little lemon. They have the little green part at the top. They have a strawberry one and a pineapple one. They had these little perfume rollers. They had, just like I said, you always want to check out the beauty section because they always putting something new in there. Craft section, love the craft section. I get a lot of my supplies from the craft section at Dollar Tree. I think we saw a lot of these before. These signs, my memory sometimes not that best, the best, but these are like the ones from Thanksgiving. But you can, I would grab them now because like the thankful, but you can really use that all year round. These I love because of the little raised detail, and these are all $1.25, so not bad at all for crafting supplies. They just have a ton of cute little crafting supplies, and they keep coming out with new ones that just, I'm like, wow. And then I grab them, and the time for me to do all the crafting is not there, but I do love. These are good because they didn't really have a lot of gnome decor in the 4th of July section, but those are cute to make something. These butterflies, I think we saw these before. These, I like that they're coming out with these for different colors and styles because I was using the ones from Valentine's Day. You know, the Reform selection is always great. They have, seems like mostly all the shapes right now. They have the stars, the circles. They even have some hearts. They have the 2-pack of the small ones. They have the crosses. They have the infinity signs. They have the breast cancer awareness, all the ribbon ones. They just have a ton of them. They have the 3-ring set. And the stars are not just good for patriotic decor. You can use those like Christmas too. Um, More of the bead decor, like I said, they put them in different spots in the store. So they have those right there. These have the little LED light in it, so it'll like shine through in the dark. They had those two ones right there. That one is just nice and simple, so it'll go in a lot of places. These little like baskets, I think these would be good as like little trinket trays, and they came in 3 different colors. This is just always cute because I love me some coffee. And it has a little thing in the back so you can put it up. That's just a cute piece of decor. These are cute. So, okay, so they say little things is carved out. They're different little animal shapes, and then they have the light in the back. So again, the light will shine through on those. And they have those like these type pieces in the craft section, but they don't have anything done to them, so you can do them, custom yourself. That's just an idea too. You can put one of those lights in there, carve something out. These little cheese board decor pieces I think are cute because they have the little burnout like kind of sayings on them. I think we saw these little hooks before. These I thought were interesting because I saw a thing about phones getting snatched and stuff like that. So just, extra little grip on your phone if you don't have that big one that goes across. These little projectors. So somebody said these are cute for the kids. The kids love these. So they'll project little different things on the wall. $1.25, not bad at all for those. And they have other little LED lights too. And these I thought were so cute. So they could protect your lenses and stuff on your sunglasses. So they had 3 different colors for these at my Dollar Tree. I just thought they were really cute, and they were by the sunglasses. They still have some Pride collection stuff. A lot of the cuter pieces are gone, but they have like the body scents and lotions and stuff. They had a lot of those. They had the flags. They have headbands. They still do have a few things, but a lot of the cuter ones. They had lashes with little things on them, but these are just the plain lashes. So yeah, you might want to head over and see what your Dollar Tree has in right now.